Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to change wallpaper in your Itel A26. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently buy this Itel A26 and you are wondering how to change wallpaper. In order to do that, you need to click in your phone settings section. After click over settings section, you're going to find there something say theme and lock screen. After click over theme and lock screen, we're going to find here my wallpaper. After click over my wallpaper, we're going to see the preloaded wallpaper. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I would like to set this one and then I'm going to click here apply. After click over apply, we're going to see a pop-up going to be appear. Here we are going to set here this picture is a home screen wallpaper. After click over there, you're going to see just now I have successfully changed my home screen wallpaper in my Itel A26. Also, there is another way to change a wallpaper. You need to long press in your home screen and then we're going to see screen appear just like this. If you click here wallpaper, we're going to see here the preloaded wallpaper by Itel. You can easily choose any of them. For example, I choose this, it's appear here, or I would like to choose this one. You can also set that. So in this way you can easily change wallpaper in your Itel A26. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.